of DPS International School, and today we will be talking about my website entitled Champions for Earth. The rising in carbon emissions is rising temperatures around the world globally and changing the shape of the Earth. And this new shape of Earth is going to cost humanity more than ever. It may even wipe away scores of cities, towns, and communities. But there is hope. We are all gathering here to reduce our consumption, create less waste, and in reward become carbon neutral. Becoming carbon neutral is not that difficult to achieve. We need to work like true Olympians to persevere till we achieve. We need champions, and that is the point of my website. Like many of you, I have taken simple small steps at my house to reduce my carbon footprint. One of these examples is the multi-switch plug. Let me tell you more about it. Earlier on, all my gadgets like the TV, the Xbox, the DVD player, the telephone, etc. were all connected to a wall point. This means that everything was turned off or everything stayed on. And since I could never turn off the phone, everything stayed on. This used to waste a lot of electricity. But with the multi-switch plug, I can selectively turn everything off except the phone. This has saved me a lot of electricity. There are many more such examples listed on my website. One of these examples is that at my home, the temperature of the air cons are at 25 degrees Celsius. I try to use more fans than air cons, and I figured out that by keeping the attic window open, I can make the house cooler, eliminating the need for an air con or a fan at the time. I also managed to keep my website of a small size of less than 2 megabytes by using low resolution graphics. How does this help? A small size website means less computing power. Less computing power means less heat generated. Less heat generated means less air conditioning. And this all leads to cost and emission savings. And I used a Microsoft Publisher to make the website. It is very easy to use, and there are a lot of features you can use on Microsoft Publisher. What does this achieve? A lower carbon footprint. How much lower? To be exact, 2.29 metric tons of carbon emissions are saved each year just by taking these simple small steps. And if you want to check it out, you can do that on the comparison of the before and after carbon footprint on my website. Please feel free to use these initiatives at home and to suggest to me any other initiatives I can use to make my pledge of becoming carbon neutral by my 16th birthday come true. Thank you for listening, and you are all my true Olympics champions. And in this championship, we will all win and take home a medal more precious than gold, our Earth. Thank you.
Thank you, Saahil Sharma from DPS International School. Now that was inspiring right there. Okay, what we're going to do right now,